can have a conversation once we reach to the elephant breeding center, and we have all time to have the conversation there. In the jungle, see on the tree there, you can bruise and you can see the little bird on there. That's an orchid. You know the orchids?
Yeah.
Orchidae. It's about to bloom. April is the season. They just bloom in April, but they does not bloom as they bloom in the mountain here. There are 150 different types of orchids in Chitwan National Park. Among that, this one is the one called Vendom orchids, which is a national flower of Singapore. And orchids are symbiotic to the tree. They does not harm the tree, means they does not suck the nutrients in from the tree. They make their food by the blow, by the breeze. Take that egg to different chambers. Workers, they always build and build. Colony of termite, that is the best food of sloth bear. And the mound, this is built up by the clay and their saliva. It's quite hard. So you can see it's still under construction.
Where are they all?
They're inside.
Oh, they are.
You can see it over here. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Kleine brownish and white. Kleine Ant. Das ist heißt Termiten. You can see the termites here. Yeah. Get closer.
They're very small.
Okay, this is a symbol of social work also. Yeah. This is a symbol of social work. When you are together, scientific name, common English name is crocodile tree. You saw the back of crocodile, look at the bark trunk of the tree. It was similar. That's why crocodile tree. It's one of the useful tree we can also make in boat. From the size also, but it's a little bit heavier than regular tree. It can't carry the same amount of load as other trees does carry it. Good furniture tree also. This scratch, this is from sloth bear. Yes, because that types of bear who have a long claw. He was climbing up. That bear does climb up on the tree also. This is from the sloth bear. It was a little bit while back. All the scratch was when he was climbing on. Sloth bear, yes. Yes, we are almost outside of the forest now. We are almost outside of the forest. So now we'll be walking to the elephant breeding center, where we got to see some young elephant babies. So now we can have a talk around. It's all right. Our cassia family of the cassia. When you have a skin fungus, you can use them for the skin fungus, but you are using the leaf. In Nepali they call them daat patta. You can squeeze the leaf, put on the top of the fungus, you get the reed of the fungus. For skin fungus they are using as a herb medicine.
You know what the English name is?
Candlestick. They call them candlestick in English. Kapok tree, or people know them as a cotton tree. Cottonwood. You know the cottonwood? Geitenbamboolboom. Das ist Geitenbambool. Das ist heißt Deutschname. Silk cotton, because it has a very, very soft cotton. Kapok at December, January, they start to bloom with the red flower. When the flower drop off from the same point, the big seeds start to grow up. For that seeds, they call them kepok. But in a month, that seeds will dry, broke off, all the cottons will drop down from there. That's why it is also called like cottonwood. First life jacket of the world was built up from the cotton of this tree. One of the very useful tree. From the main tree trunk we can make the dugout boat. From the bigger branch we can make a matchstick. Small branch and leaf, that's a favorite food of elephant. As together with this is in one of the favorite tree of the leopard as well. Because when it's young, it has a lots of thorn on the trunk, lots of spike on the trunk. So leopard will get grip to climb on. If you go upper part, they have a lot of horizontal branch. It's a good place for the leopard to have a rest there, to take the carcass up there also. When it's fully matured, you can see the tree trunk is big. So they easily can hop and climb on. That's why this is also one of the favorite tree of the leopard. Silk cotton tree in English, kapok tree also in English, but scientific name of this tree, this is called Bambac saiba.
And is that some bigger ones?
Same. These are all the same.